Happy Halloween. I was supposed to be a calavera, but I don't have any flowers. Should I do gardening in my costume? I've got my scissors. Let's go see what we can find that's dead out there. Yes, I'm aware this is really dorky. I found a white salvia. Its stems are dead. I'm gonna cut them off. See all that new growth that's rising from the ground? That's for next year, but these are already dead stems from this year. So I'm just gonna cut them. This is a white salvia, but you can do this to all the salvias. There, it's ready for next year. If we do some digging, we might find some more salvia. Well, what have we dug up? Look, it's rising from the dead. Let's see if we can rip off these stems. This right here is the penstemmon, and I haven't grown one before this year. I think I planted it last fall, and it flowered and everything, but I don't really know what to do, but I'm going to guess. So here we go. I'm just going to take a look at the plant and see what makes sense. There it is. It looks like there's a new clump of growth down here, and then these stems that jut out. And with my experience, I can cut these stems off. Well, experience with other plants. These are seed pods. So I think I can just cut these all the way down here. Hopefully it survives. So here's the stem. I'm just going all the way down right there and cutting. Here's the seed pod, and I'm just following the stem, passing all these leaves that look like they've been eaten, actually. And I'd say you could cut anywhere here or down all the way down there. You can cut above what looks like a node if you'd like. And there we go. I'm going to try not to cut these leaves that are obviously new and cut down there instead. That's what the cut looks like if you want to. If you don't like the way that looks, you can do it again and cut lower. Try not to cut leaves. Okay, if a couple get cut a little bit. You can hold the stem, move it out of the way. It helps to move the leaves away so it's easier to see. Here's a second penstemmon. I think the variety is called Midnight Masquerade or something similar to that. And there it is, it's a little clump. There's the other one, and I have one more over there. There's the last one. I really like the withered seed pods. I cut this one a little bit differently. I went above a node. So if you look there, you'll see that there is, that's the cut, and I could have cut lower below these leaves, but I just want to kind of conduct an experiment and see what happens to this plant if I just leave it like this. Let's break these seed pods open. They're very hard. Can't do it by squishing them. There's a little slit, so I'm going to try to open that. Of course, I dropped those seeds. Okay, let's try this again. There we go, those are the little seeds. So I'm going to just throw them around and hope it helps plant more penstemmon. I don't know if this is going to do anything, but I'm just going to break these off and leave them here, and then throw the stems in the compost pile. These flowers have skeletonized. Maybe I need this in my hat. What do you think? What do we think? Nah. The scary thing is I just lost my pruners. Where were they? Where are they? Found them. Look where they were. In my hand. Same hand I'm holding my charger in. Nice.